Namaste everyone. In this video we shall solve a question from ICSE 2023 specimen question paper. Specimen question paper is like a sample question paper. So there is a question which is related to surface areas and volumes. This is for class 10. So before we solve this question, recently I have uploaded a video wherein I have solved a question from the IGCSE question paper. I'll share the link of that video in the description as well. But I request, before we move on to solve this question, I have a request. I request you to contact this number 9742774659 for online tutoring. The different curricula which I would like, which would be covered, are ICSE, IGCSE, the state syllabus, and the CBSE. So please do look into my channel and look at the videos, and if you are convinced that I can effectively online tutor you or your word, please do contact this number. Coming back to this question, here they say there is a cone and a sphere having the same radius. So there is a cone, let's draw the cone, and there is a sphere. So this is the cone and this is the sphere. Both these shapes have the same radius. Let's assume the radius of the cone is r and the radius of the sphere, because they're having the same radii, I would like to call this one as r. Now, the radius and height of the cone are 3 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So they have given the radius as 3 centimeter, radius of the cone. Radius of sphere will also be equal to 3 centimeter, as its radius is equal to radius of the cone. They have also given the height of the cone as 12 centimeter. I'll take the height of the cone as small h. I'll represent it using small letter h. So h is equal to 12 centimeter. Now these two solid shapes are melted and recast into a cylinder. So they are melted and they are made into a cylinder. Now the radius of the cylinder so formed, let us call the radius of the cylinder as r, and so capital R, to differentiate it from the radius of the cone and the sphere. Now we need to find the height of the cylinder. So I will represent the height of the cylinder as capital H, so to differentiate it from the height of the cone. Now what is that we need to find? We need to find the height of the cylinder. So whenever they use these words melted and recast, what is that we need to do is we have to use the concept of volume of this solid shapes. So whenever a shape is melted and recast, the volume remains same. The volume before melting and the volume after melting and recasting remains same here. So as per the question, these two shapes are melted and recast into a cylinder. So therefore I can write volume of cone plus volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. This is important, and you can just remember this if they are using the words melted and recast. So indirectly they are giving you hint that you have to use volume of cone or volume of any solid shape formula. So volume remains same before melting and after melting. This is what you need to remember. Now the formula to calculate volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. The formula to calculate volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Volume of cylinder has a formula pi r square h. Remember, this r and this r is different from this r. So as you can see in the figure, I have used capital letter R to represent the radius of the cylinder. Be careful. And the height of the cylinder is different from the height of the cone as well. So now before we substitute the values directly, there is a easier way. My suggestion would be, first see what is that we can take common and what is that we can cancel. So simplify this equation first before you substitute the values. In this way you will be simplifying the process of calculation. Otherwise, problems related to surface areas and volumes will have uh, the calculations related to these problems from surface areas and volumes will become complicated. So now uh, let us take common from these two terms, and you can see that we can take 1 by 3 pi common. So 1 by 3 pi, I can even take r square common. So if I take r square common, I'll be left with h here, I'll be left with 4 here, I'll be left with r here. So that is equal to pi r square h. Now I can cancel this pi and this pi. So it becomes 1 by 3 r square into h plus 4r is equal to r square h. What is that we need to find? We need to find the value of h. So I'll separate it from r square by taking this r square to the LHS. So 1 by 3 r square h plus 4r divided by r square. This multiplication becomes division here. So now we can substitute the values to find the value of capital H, the height of the cylinder. So 1 by 3, what is the value of R? It is 3 centimeters. So 3 square, the value of H is 12 plus 4R, 4 into 3 whole divided by R. That is, the value of capital R is 2. So 2 square, that is equal to H here. So this 3 and this square will get cancelled. So we'll simplify this further. 3 into 4 into 3. First you have to multiply, then add, as per the rule called BODMAS. So 12, first of all 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 by 2 square is 4. So 1 times 6 times, for 6 times is 24. So H will be equal to 3 into 6. So 3 into 6 is 18. Because the unit used in this question is centimeter, the height of the cylinder is also 3 centimeter. Also 8 centimeter is also in, it will also be in centimeters, and it is equal to 18 centimeters. This is how we can find the height of the cylinder. And what is the height of the cylinder? The height of the cylinder is 18 centimeters. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have liked the video. Please do like the video if you have understood what I explained. Please share these videos so that it will reach many students and help them in their preparation. So, this question is not only helpful for the students of ICSE, it will be helpful for the students of CBSE, state and other curricula as well. So please share these videos and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.